This is the Amazonian giant centipede, known scientifically as Scolopendra gigantea, is a formidable predator lurking in the depths of the Amazon rainforest, with its elongated body adorned with numerous segments and a multitude of legs. This fearsome arthropod can reach lengths of up to 12 inches or more, making it one of the largest centipede species in the world. Equipped with powerful venom-injecting fangs, the Amazonian giant centipede is a skilled hunter, preying upon a variety of creatures including insects, spiders, small reptiles, and even mammals. Its aggressive nature and lightning-fast movements allow it to swiftly overpower its prey, delivering a potent venom that immobilizes and begins to digest its victim.